Okay, let's try a problem that's very similar, except we're going to the right of z equals 1.68. The first two problems, we wanted area to the left. So it starts the same exact way. We're going to draw our picture. Maybe next time I'll already have my picture made, since we keep doing it over and over. Put 0 right in the middle. Label it z or z-scores, whatever you prefer. And we have 1.68. Let me draw that. And here's where we're changing things up. Now we want to the right. So we have to literally shade in to the right. We want this area as our final answer. Now before, we would just look up to the z-score we're given, and it'll tell us the area. But that only works when we want area to the left. So what we're going to have to do this time is subtract whatever we're looking up in the table from 1. So just think 1 is like 100%, and that's how much is underneath the entire curve. Because our table looks up from the left, it's going to tell us this piece. So actually the unshaded region is what the book is going to tell us, but that's not what we want. Okay, so whatever we have here, we'll call it x. In order to find what's missing, it would be 100% minus x. And since the book tells us not as a percent, we use our regular numbers, so 100% is the same as 1. Okay, so let's look up in the table 1.68, not 1.618. Oops, so let me rewrite that. 1.68. Okay, so we go down to 1.6, move it over to 8. Looks like it's going to be 0.9535. And I don't want to do it in my head. I don't want to make mistakes. So let me figure out what our answer is going to be by hand. We do 1.0000 minus 0.9535. We're going to have to borrow a bunch of times. Okay. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0. So we get 0.0465 as our area, and if we want it as a percent, we would multiply by 100%, and that gives us 4.65%. And if I wanted to the nearest percent, if I was rounding, I would get 5%. So that would be our final answer. Okay, let's do another problem where we're doing to the right.